You ever have one of those amazing ideas for a video, but then reality hits? You don't have the time, the money, or, a whole Hollywood crew in your back pocket. We've all been there. But what if you could just speak it into existence? Today, we're diving deep into Pika Labs, an AI tool that promises to do just that, turn your words into video magic. So, let's break down how it all works.
So here's our game plan. We'll start with a big dream behind AI video, then I'll give you a tour of the Pika Labs workspace. After that, we are going to get into the single most important skill, how to talk to the AI using prompts. Then, we'll level up with some pro-level controls, uncover the one secret to making your videos look truly cinematic, and finally show you how to get your masterpiece out into the world. Let's do this. All right, first things first, the dream of AI video. What's the big idea here, really?
I mean, just think about that for a second. What if you could just describe what you want to see and poof, it appears. No cameras, no crazy complicated software, no spending years in animation school, just your imagination and a few words.
Well, that's pretty much the magic of Pika Labs. It's like an AI translator. It takes your written ideas and turns them into actual moving images. The big thing to get here is that your most important skill is no longer technical. It's your ability to describe exactly what you see in your head.
Okay, time to step inside our new AI creation studio. Let's have a look around and see what we're working with.
Now, when you first see the Pika Labs dashboard, don't let it intimidate you. Just think of it as your own personal movie studio, right on your computer. This is your control center, and literally everything you need to create is right here.
And it all boils down to three main spots. You've got the prompt input, that's obviously where you're going to type your ideas. Then you've got the generation settings, where you can tweak things. And finally, My Library, that's where all your amazing creations are going to live. See? Pretty simple.
Now for what I honestly think is the most critical part of this entire process. You have to learn how to talk to the AI, and that is all about the prompt. Mastering this is the absolute key to getting results you'll love.
I mean, just look at the difference here. A video with a cat is, well, it's lazy. It leaves the AI guessing. But a cute cat wearing a pirate hat, chasing a goldfish in a bowl, now the AI has a crystal clear scene to build. The lesson is simple, folks. Details are everything.
So here are a few ground rules for you. Definitely be specific and use descriptive words. You want to think like a screenwriter, and please experiment. On the flip side, don't use vague words like it or thing, and don't forget about negative prompts to tell the AI what to leave out. And we're going to talk about those right now.
Okay, negative prompts are a total game changer for getting your videos just right. It's just as important to tell the AI what you don't want as what you do want. If your video keeps coming out blurry or things are morphing in weird ways, you can literally just add no blurry or no warping to your prompt. It's such a powerful way to steer the final product.
Okay, you've got the basics of prompting down. Now it's time to put on your director's hat and really start controlling the little details. Let's level up. This is where you get to play cinematographer. You can add special commands to your prompt to control camera moves, like camera zoom in. You can set specific angles, like a low-angle shot for dramatic effect. You can even tell it how much motion you want in the scene and, this is a cool one, how strictly you want the AI to follow your instructions. That's called the guidance scale, and a higher number means it listens more closely. And get this, look at all the different artistic styles you can play with. You want that classic Pixar look? Just type Pixar style in your prompt. Dreaming of something that looks like Studio Ghibli made it? Add that keyword. You could make it look like a video game trailer, a Lego movie, or even copy the iconic style of a director like Wes Anderson. The possibilities are just wild.
All right, everything we've gone over so far is incredibly powerful. But now we're getting to the big one. This is the technique that separates the good AI videos from the ones that look truly professional.
So we've covered some really powerful tools, but there is one pro-level workflow that delivers results that are just a cut above everything else. You ready for this?
And there it is. That's the secret. As amazing as text-to-video is, the absolute best, most cinematic results come from starting with a perfect, high-quality image and then using Pika Labs to bring it to life. You give the AI a perfect starting point, and its only job is to animate it.
So here's how that pro workflow actually breaks down. First, you go create your perfect still image in a tool that's built for that, like Midjourney. Step 2, you bring that amazing image into Pika and use the /animate command. And finally, you just give it a simple motion prompt. See, the key is you're not asking Pika to invent a whole scene from scratch. You're just asking it to animate the perfect scene you already made.
And the real trick to that first step, creating that perfect image, is all about structure. Your prompt needs to read like a shot list from a movie set. You define the style, the action, the shot type, the scene, and most importantly, the lighting. This makes sure your starting image is already cinematic before Pika even sees it.
Okay, you followed the pro workflow, you've tweaked your settings, and you've made something truly incredible. There's only one thing left to do now. Share it with everyone.
And luckily, Pika Labs makes this part super easy. You can download a standard MP4 file, you can grab a direct link to text to your friends, post it right to social media, or even embed it on your own website. Getting your creation out there is really just a few clicks away.
And hey, one last little tip for you. If you're ever just staring at that blank prompt box and feeling stuck, remember the Pika bot. It can actually help you brainstorm ideas and even write your prompts with you. It's an awesome tool for breaking through that creative block.
You know, the barrier to creating amazing video has literally never been lower. You now have the tools and the know-how to bring any idea you have to life. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell first?